Hi friends, this is Iris. Today I will introduce our PP replaceable airless bottles. The item number is AP001. The capacity we have 50 ml and 100 ml. For the bottle, it has inner bottle, cap, pump, and out bottles. So it is double wall plastic bottles. And for the pack material is PP eco-friendly material. If you want to customize color, like painting and printing on the bottles, it is no problem. One sample is free for you. If you want to customize samples, it needs 7 to 10 to make the samples. The mass production quantity is 5,000 pieces, and the lead time is 14 days. If you want to know more details, just contact with me. See you next time. Bye bye.